Welcome to an exploration of one of the most incredible organs in the human body, the liver. We're talking about the regenerative powerhouse. The liver is a vital organ, performing hundreds of essential functions. But what makes it truly amazing is its capacity for renewal. The liver filters blood, aids in digestion, and detoxifies chemicals. It's the body's main processing plant. Unlike most other organs, the liver has a unique and incredible ability. It can regenerate itself completely, even after significant damage or removal. So how does this regeneration actually happen? It's a sophisticated biological process involving specialized cells. The key is cellular proliferation. Remaining healthy liver cells, called hepatocytes, start multiplying rapidly to restore the organ's mass and function. This proliferation is tightly regulated by various growth factors and signaling molecules, such as HGF and interleukin-6, which act as the body's repair crew. While amazing, regeneration isn't limitless. There are factors that can impair this natural healing process. Severe long-term diseases like advanced cirrhosis or chronic infections can impede the liver's ability to fully regenerate, leading to permanent damage. This is why early detection and proper care are so crucial. The healthier the liver is, the better its chances of recovery. The regenerative capacity of the liver holds immense medical significance, especially in critical procedures. Its ability to regrow is the foundation for living donor liver transplantation, where a portion of a healthy liver can be safely transplanted to a patient. Scientists are continually researching ways to enhance this natural regenerative ability, aiming to improve treatments for liver failure globally. To wrap up, the liver truly is a masterpiece of biological engineering. Its remarkable resilience and regenerative power showcase the incredible healing potential within the human body. Let's all do our part to protect this vital, regenerative organ through healthy living.